Hey guys, it's Sport Talk and welcome back to another video. And today I'm starting Vlogmas, and sadly I'm only doing like 3 days of Vlogmas because I'm always so busy with all my sports. I wish I could do more days. I might be able to, but for right now I'm just doing 3 days. But that's okay. I got my room all decorated. I got my tree, and you can't see the lights. I'm so sorry. It's so bright outside. Okay, it's covered with snow, and the sun's out. So how it reflects, let me just show you. Like, it reflects so badly. Let me just show you. Okay, so I'm looking at my vlog, and like my camera won't focus, but I'm sorry. But we're covered in snow and the sun's so bright reflecting. So, yeah, I'm sorry about that. Like, I'm trying to make them. Maybe that made it better. I turned on some music because, why can't I just edit music in? But I thought I need to use my transistor, so I did. Don't mind it. So, okay, there we go. Okay, you know what? Just don't mind any ads or anything. But yeah, so let's get on to the video. Okay, I finally got the camera set up. Okay, I'm still like, okay. Oh my gosh, it's like slipping. No, there we go. So you're probably wondering what this crayon is. Well, that's my mixing tool. But the supplies you will need oh my gosh, glue. You can't see it. Oh my gosh, let me do this camera to, just a second, I'm gonna have to fix the camera. Finally! Okay, you're gonna need some glue, some red paint, glitter, any color glitter, and I don't know where my mom got this pack of glitter, but she got it and it comes with a little funnel, and that's really neat. So yeah, let's get right to the video. Oh, you will also need Tide. I'm gonna have to go get it for my costume, so I'll be right back. Okay, I got the Tide. You probably know what Tide looks like, but I got the liquid Tide detergent. You can use just whatever activator you use or scene that you want to use. So yeah, start off by pouring in your glue.
I'm not going to make a lot today, because I have to make this thing for someone this time. So there's that.
Now you can add in your paint. You can do any color. I'm doing red, and it has like glitter in it. It says it does. And I'm going to take my mixing tool and just dip it in there. You can do any color. I was just doing like, hey, that's like a Christmas color, so. Did I say Christmas slime? I'm showing you guys how did I say Christmas slime? I feel like I said something else. Well, I'm showing you, maybe I said else, but I'm showing you how to make Christmas slime Vlogmas. And so once I'm going to fast forward this, I'll see you in a second. Sorry, oh my gosh, my camera my slime bowl slowly started scooting away from the cameras. I'm sorry about that. So next you are going, are you kidding me? Okay, next you're gonna add some glitter. You can add any color you want. I'm doing the silver, and I might add some of that new glitter that my mom got for me. Thank you, Mom. What do you guys want for Christmas? comment below. I'm really wanting a globe skateboard because I skateboard now. I started a few months ago, and I even might start another channel, but I'll still have this channel and do videos on it. But it might be a skateboarding channel, like Skate Dog 06. Okay, yeah. I feel like I like my channel name, but I feel like it's kind of, I don't know. But yeah. So oh my gosh, this bowl keeps getting away. So this is my final result. It's very pretty. So now I'm gonna add my activator. Sorry, it's been named down to get it. I'm just gonna add. Whoa! Oh man, that was a lot. It'll do probably. He'll be fine. It's forming, guys. Okay, I'll see you in a second. I'm gonna get this. Okay, so this is how my Christmas sign turned out. I was wanting a darker red, so I think I'm gonna add some more red paint. So how about we do that real quick? You know, I'm just gonna put my finger in there. And I'm wanting like that Christmas red, you know, and not this really, really white red, which is kind of like a pink. So I'll see you in a second. Guys, I finally got the color I was wanting. On the camera it looks lighter, but it's like that red color. It might not look lighter. It might just be what I'm seeing on my camera right now. But I am really liking this sign. Very neat and nice. Whoa. Glad the lid was on. That almost fell. So guys, this is really funny. Look, it's Tuesday and we are out of school. And then like the radio, you know, I'm listening to, it came on and then it started talking about like schools being out and what schools were out. And I was hoping that my school would be out, but nope. I mean, when I showed you guys outside, it's filled with snow, so I'm guessing we'll get out. I mean, the roads are getting cleared off, so I really don't know. So, yeah. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to go see where my elf went, and I'm going to show you every Vlogmas day I do. I'm going to show you where my elf is. So, I already saw her, and I will show you. To see where she is in 3, 2, 1. Okay guys, this is where she is. She is in the Meiji scene, and she has this house, and and that's where she is. And apparently, I already read it, but I will read it to you guys. Santa left me a letter. She must have flown to the North Pole and brought it back. So I'm going to read it to you. It says, "Dear Skylar, I know that you have been a very good girl this year. Starting with a new school is hard. You've made lots of friends and really good grades." So guys, I moved to a new school at the beginning of the year. So I got your list, and you will be getting a lot of presents on Christmas morning. Sorry. Thank you so much for taking care of Lydia. That's my elf. I know you would like for her to have a pet and maybe a visit from her sister, Lola. I will try to make all of that happen for her. I know how much fun you have with Callie, my sister. Maybe if Lola likes Tennessee, she can stay. Lydia might be lonely and wanted some family with her. Keep on being a good girl. I will be coming by both of your houses on Christmas Eve night. Remember to leave out something for me and my reindeer to snack on. Have a very Merry Christmas, Santa Claus." So apparently people bring a pet for and her sister, Lola and Lydia. So I can't believe I might have another elf in my house. So I hope you guys enjoyed the first day of Vlogmas. I'll see you on my next day of Vlogmas, and have a great, very Merry Christmas. And I will be doing a Christmas morning vlog. So I will see you guys in my next video. And bye.